Like sands through the hourglass, so are the dinks of our lives.
Hey everybody, my name is Miguel Enciso and I'm the United States Pickleball Ambassador for the city of Oak Park, California. And I'm also the Pickleball Director at the Westlake Athletic Club in beautiful Westlake Village, California. Today I'm going into the garage to show you a simple holiday DIY that's going to get you to use all those cracked and beat up pickleballs. Enjoy! So here's all you need to get started. Get 2 wood rounds. One that's about 12 inches long and the other that's about 8 inches long. You can get these online. Then you want about 8 to 10 cracked pickleballs. I have a good feeling you'll know where to find those. The next thing you'll need is a glue gun. And remember, hot glue is hot. You'll also need a pair of scissors and you'll need some pine cones. Now I picked these up at a place called My Local Community Park, but they do sell these kind of things online as well. And then you'll need some Christmas ribbon. Now, you are all set and ready to go. So the first thing you want to do is put your 8-inch ring inside the 12-inch ring, roughly about the same distance all the way around. Now it's time to set your design. You can use the pine cones, you can use different colored pickleballs, and once you have your design, clear it all off and start hot gluing each item back onto the wooden rings. Leave enough space in between so you can bring your ribbon through, and you'll see that in just a second. Once everything is glued on, turn the whole wreath over and really apply the hot glue very generously to make sure it stays secure on the wooden rings. Now it's time for your ribbon. From the back, tie off the ribbon to the 8-inch wooden round and start looping it around all your different pickleballs and pine cones until you get all the way around to the top. When you get to the end, use your ribbon to make a little bit of a loop that you tie off and cinch a few times. Then you cut with your scissors and you are ready to hang that beautiful holiday wreath. It's as simple as that. You can also add a little ornament for that little extra holiday flair. Hey, I'm wishing all of you peace, joy, and pickleball during this holiday season. Stay safe, be happy, be kind, and always, always paddle up!
I love the pickleball life.